That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mixed too. That's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mixed too. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
Yo, what up YouTube? What up TikTok? What's good? What is good? All right, my dudes. Let's get it. Yeah, this is a funded X account. How did you know that, Bob? How the hell did you know that? Yeah, it's my funded X instant funded 800K account. I'm gonna be trading this and also my Lucid. I just got funded on Lucid as well. So I'll trade the funded on Lucid as well. But what's good, you guys? Hopefully you haven't got too chopped up today in gold. Oh, you just got one as well? Yeah, nice. Yeah, hopefully you guys didn't get too chopped up today in gold. It's been very yucky. So let's do a quick bit of analysis here on gold and see if we can get something happening. Yo, yo. Bro, I don't know how you say your name. Orn or Muhammad. Do you want me to just call you Muhammad? What's up, brother? I'm going to do a top down here on gold. Weekly, whatevs. Weekly type 2. Daily. How crazy is the last couple of days just fully stuck in this range? So daily's not giving us much. 4 hour is... I don't even know why I'm doing a top down because there's not much. I know we're just consolidating like crazy. Let's see if we can find some levels though. You know, obviously this is like my forte is to try and catch a breakout, but in these cases, it like, if it's gonna break out, this bitch is gonna fucking burst out. So I think our best bet is to either try and find an entry before it breaks out or get super aggressive on a breakout. I mean, our levels aren't too bad. These are my levels here, you guys, based on this structure here. I know we've got clean enough range above here to the left, and below here we've got clean traffic down to here as well. If price wants to kind of react off this point as well though, you could get some sort of reaction here and we could sell it back down, so that's also an option. You dig?
In the beginning.
Let's have a look at some other pairs. Check out oil, okay. Oh. Who's trying to buy oil? Fuck, let me do a quick bit of analysis here. Shit. What's the daily doing? Daily's got, I mean, we're kind of 4 hour, broke previous 4 hour lows. 1 hour, rejecting pretty hard. Oh, I might have to give oil a stab. Can I trade oil and funded X? Quick! Or Lucid? Lucid, where are you? How do I trade oil? CL? CL? CL, yes. I'm going to put an order here on oil and CL on Lucid. No!
Rejected.
Stop rejecting me. Can I do 2? Yes, I can do 2. Okay. All right, I might look at oil here to break at the high. I might give oil a smack here at the break at the high. Can I trade oil with funded X? What's oil? Oil's an energy. Here we go. Crude. Energies, oil. Okay, here we go. I can trade it on oil. I can trade it with funded X as well. Oh, the time is nearly up. I didn't even pay attention, but I gotta pay attention on stream. I'm gonna delete these orders for a minute, and if this candle can close like this, I'll put the order back. Yo, bro sent 99 cents and a message got retraced. I didn't even get to see what the message is. Hey, you stay there, motherfucking oil. Don't move an inch. I like that the high got broken at least. No, come on, dog. Just wait for me, please. Just wait for me, bro. I'm still interested in this sort of. I think it's gonna dog me. I don't need much of a bottom wick. All good. Yeah, I mean, tricky one. I bet you some people are in this trade because they left their order there. They didn't delete it like me. Anyway, let's keep an eye on oil. If it wants to retrace down a little bit and come back, but I think it's not looking that good now. How was the mic? Oh, what up, Aaron? 4XA. Michael Jackson movie was cool, bro. It's fascinating. It was a fascinating movie. Just I love Michael Jackson, and it's just fascinating to see like you know, just how famous he was and just his like who he was and shit. It was like, I don't want to give any spoilers to people that want to watch. It's not like your normal type. It's a bit trippy. It's a bit of a trippy movie. And it's crazy, like the actors that had to portray him and stuff, like they did a really good job, man. Like they would have been incredibly difficult to reenact him and do. Like the way the movie was filmed was really well done. Jerome Powell, don't say afternoon. Is there any red folder come this today, you guys? No. No. Are you a huge fan as well, Aaron? Literally? Bro, I was at the gym today and I was just listening to Michael Jackson all day. If I could give you, if you want to be starting something, got to be starting something. He's a fucking goat, bro. Look at this account here, Aaron, your mates. 26K in the, just locked. I'm in fucking jail. Too hard to get over. Yeah. No. Bro, legit, it's so good. Oh, man of you and Michael. Oh, have you, Jared? Yeah, he's the man. Yeah, so I mean, hopefully you guys have been safe on goal. It's just so choppy today. I haven't really done anything, I don't think. Hi, no, thanks for your advice on the channel. Thanks for your advice on the channel. It's been very helpful. Haven't made a breakthrough yet. Hey, bro, just know that a breakthrough isn't even a state. It's like a continual state. To a degree. I mean, Aaron, wouldn't you agree with this? Like, I could wake up today and go back to my old ways, like today. I could literally be a degenerate trader today. It's literally like a daily choice. I still have the urges every day to be a massive degenerate. Like, it's never going to go away. You just get better at controlling it. Is this the 25K account, that 40K account? Yeah, that's the top step one, yeah. Jewish chop. Why didn't Riz release your podcast you did with him? No, I didn't do a pod. I was potentially going to go on, oh, I could go on Riz's, who knows Riz's podcast, which is called Chart Fanatics. He said, G it up. I just need 2 years of, like your prop firm payouts and all this shit, which I could literally do so easy, but I just, like, imagine trying to find payouts from 2 years ago. Like, I could obviously do it, but I just can't be bothered. Like, and I'm so busy, like, what the fuck? I can't go digging. I need to like pay someone, just give them my email and just go fucking hunting. Fund Index is not paying out. I had 18K, 30K rejected due to hedging when I... Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. I've been rejected with firms as well. It's not fun. Yeah, sorry to hear that, bro. But I don't know your circumstance, or you could have done like dumb shit and that's why they didn't pay you. Yeah, I don't know about, like, oil could push up here. I think my chance, what I wanted to see didn't really happen, but this is still really nice if anyone's in it. Man, gold, you guys realize gold is like, obviously, let's look at gold, like let's zoom out a little bit here and drop to the 1 hour chart. I mean, the thing is we can't stay here forever. And the more we consolidate here, at some point this bitch is just gonna burst one way or the other. Or it could fake out first and then burst, like, but yeah, this bitch is cooking up something juicy. Makes me want to load up a small personal account and see if I can gamble. If you want to be starting something. 2 weeks above everything. What? That didn't pay. Yeah. I guess you can't recommend Top Step. Nah, I would still recommend Top Step. Yeah. I'd probably still recommend Top Step. You're going to get cooked. Like, you're never safe with a prop firm. You're going to get cooked regardless. Congrats on the challenge. Thank you, bro. Hey, you guys, I just completed the challenge yesterday, 5K to 100K. I'm running a 2-day boot camp, and most hectic thing about this is, look at this. Look what this says right here. I'm running the challenge. So if you join the boot camp, you'll get more details about this. But I'm going to be running a challenge after the boot camp with a group of traders that anybody that completes this challenge that I propose, I'm going to fly you out to Dubai, all expenses paid. It's going to be crazy. But yeah, man, I'm going to be running a 2-day boot camp, completely free. Here's a link to it, you guys on TikTok, and here's a link to it, you guys on YouTube. Register your spot, and yeah, I'm essentially going to be breaking down exactly how I did it, and just try and give you as much value as humanly possible. You know, I was thinking about that today, actually. Like, the number one thing, I know some really, really good traders, and they make content, but they don't give value in their content. They don't, like, they're too scared to, like, give strategy and shit like that. It's like, just, I truly believe if you just give everything, like, just over give, it'll always work out better. And that goes for business as well. Like, there's guys that I'm related to in a business sense, and I just, anything that I find that works well for me, I just tell them to do this. I give them the sauce. I sauce them boys up. But yeah, man, 2-day banger. Yay, very pretty. Bro, imagine, like, who actually uses this default template? Like, fucking bright green, it's like a seizure fucking template. Like, why do they do that? No one uses it. No one. Like, let's be honest. I'm winning the Dubai trip, bro. Just one request. I want to play with a lion. You can play with my lion. Yeah, bro. All right. Manifest that trip, my G. Manifest it. I'm from Ukraine. Will you cover 10K, 15K Brad to get across the board too? Wait, what? It costs that much to go to Dubai from Ukraine? What do you mean? Matrix theme.
In the beginning.
Yes, sir. So yeah, yeah. Look at oil did well here. Did anyone end up taking oil here? I know 100% people did. So what is this? This is my Lucid account and my FundedX account. I text you, bro, for telling. Thank you very much, bro. Raja Baba Wow Shah Song. Thank you, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, but that's what's up. Do you use deep charts? The fuck is deep charts? Lost 2K of my own capital following your strat and looking super simple. Oh, now following your strat? Nice. Nah, I'm not even going to look at silver, bro. I'm done. I'm over silver now. I haven't... Yeah, I don't... I haven't even looked at silver like for weeks, to be honest. Silver. Type 2 setup. Yeah, there's nothing here for me just yet. I mean, gold, we're going to have to be really like stringent on what we need to see. And right now, you know, we're in just a consolidation range. All right. I'll mark the levels here on this chart as well. These are my levels. I either want a reaction off one of these levels or a breakout of one of these levels on gold. On gold. And on NQ. Ah, fuck, I haven't even looked at NQ. What's NQ doing, you guys? Oh, I mean, yeah, NQ, there's a major level here. I don't know. Oil had a good opportunity there. Yeah, that was a nice, I would have been partials BE. Getting a trade today, boss, or done for the, yeah, I'm here to look for a trade. I haven't taken one today, I don't think. And, hi dude, do you offer a mentoring program? I offer a 2-day free bootcamp where I tell you how I took 5K to 100K, and I just posted the link there in the chat. Let me pin it. What's the firm with 800K? FundedX. Why do you integrate TradingView with FundedX? Because bro, I don't, I'm so basic. I'm basic and lazy. Yeah, I'm basic and lazy. Hey, check this out, you guys. Look at Adrian in the mentorship here. Let's have a look. My guy here just pulled out 5 payouts. Like, how good is that? How good's 5 payouts in one day? Like, that's the power of trading multiple accounts. The guys that I train up, I'm like, man, you can either link your accounts or you can trade them individually. Adrian's got balls because he'll trade them in linked like this. I'm not a huge fan of doing that today. Shem here today posted this in the hospital, getting this payout. Yeah, we've got a lot of guys on the Coca-Cola here. 3 new funded accounts in the last 10 days. Thank you guys. Yeah, we got dudes cooking here. We got dudes cooking. Mama says, who's trying to sell oil back down? I would actually, if we get a decent, wait, bro, if we get a closure similar to this with a bit more bearish strength, I would almost prefer to sell oil down. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll take that back. We'll see. Which template did you use? This template here, it's custom. Yeah, I just changed it myself. Just changed the colors and made it all plain and simple. Bro, if I learn your strategy, can I turn 5K into 10K in 3 months? If you learn my strategy, you will get the tools to trade a system. And then really after that, it's just like, can you not be stupid? The only reason I was able to grow my account was because I never had big banger days that took me out. I had big days that took me forward, but all my L's were just like a normal L. Like, oh, okay, I'm going to place my stop loss underneath the current candle wick. If I take an L here, it's like 2.5K or whatever. Ah, shit, it got me. But then I would win the trade, it'd be the same, but then I would win other trades, which would put me like 5K in profit. So I would get bigger trades here and there, and I win more than I lose over the long run. So, I mean, I've actually grown as a trader as well throughout this challenge. It really like solidified in my mind the idea of probabilities. It's just like, man, if you just take a loss, just fucking like, bro, who gives a shit? You're literally going to get it back either later today or the next day. Yeah. How much did you learn from the 5K? Oh, bro, that's funny. That's funny. I just literally just spoke about that. Yeah, I literally learned quite a lot. And one of the biggest things was just the importance of like keeping it simple, just take less trades and just know if you take a loss, like I would always get it back like the next day. What session are your favorites? All of them. Yeah, all of them. I don't discriminate. Feminism is a problem. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream as well. If you like me, you like trading, you like hot chicks, and you'll like, then thumbs up the stream. If you don't press thumbs up on the stream, that means you're not into hot chicks. Haven't seen you in a bit. Hope you're well. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I'm chilling out. Does funded Hope you're well too, bro. Hope you haven't been chopped up in gold. Gold's been consolidating a lot. Does Funded allow you to copy trade? Yeah, you can copy trade. Wait, you haven't seen my stream since I lived in Brisbane, bro? That was like a year ago. Hectic. All right, let's see how some of these candles close here. Damn, is anyone looking at oil? The thing is, the 15 looks nice. I don't really like taking type 2s when the 30 looks like that. The 30 looks like really indecisive. So does the 1 hour. Here's the thing, it's like, okay, if you get really nice 15 structure, but the other higher time frames are looking indecisive, what do you do? You know what I mean? That's where it's like, that's where you got to really think about it. NQ. Wow. Don't you know now is perfect now. 800 equity, are you serious? It's an instant funded account. Instant funded. You were the best, Daniel. You were the best, Mohammed. Do you have any pirate telegram or something just to know the details of the bootcamp? The details of the bootcamp, if you click the link, you'll literally just see all the details there. Like the link takes you to the page here and it tells you everything. Like you'll literally see everything here. Get my free ticket. Again, anyone new here, you go in the draw to win a free fucking, I'm going to fly you out to Dubai like a, you know, like hot chicks get flown out to Dubai to get pooed on or whatever. That's what I'm going to do to some. No, I'm going to fly like a trader out. I'm going to do like trading content and it's going to be epic. But don't, bro, honestly, I should actually say this. Don't register for the 2-day webinar where I'm going to teach you how I grew my account from 5 to 100 if you just want to go on the draw to win the fucking flights. Because, yeah, I'll find out a way to make sure that those people get streamed out or whatever. Why is your face so red? All right, let's see what your face looks like. Let's pull him up. Ah, would you look at that? No bio yet, nothing to fucking show. Nah, I'm only joking, bro. I don't know, my face is cooked, whatever. I registered for the bootcamp and also gone through 5 hours free course. Let's get it. I trained legs today. I don't have a face. Nice. Spoiler alert, I won, yeah. How do you win the Dubai thing by 5K? I mean, just chill. That's all. Yo, Tucker Banks, what's good, brother? T-Dog. Can you explain the difference between futures and CFD accounts? I mean, futures is just, the thing is with futures, I can't explain it in a high detail, but what I can explain is that there's a bit more security in futures because everyone's going to look at the exact same chart. It's like a centralized exchange where Forex goes through brokers and there's like hundreds and if not thousands of different brokers. So a broker is going to give you slightly different price to a different broker. Like if you guys check out like TradingView and just type in XAU USD, look at this. Why is there this many fucking XAUs USDs? Because they're all different brokers. And what's going to be slightly different? Price. Like, oh, look, see how gold's like a little bit further down here on this one, and then you go to a different one. Oh, look, gold's already there, and this one, fucking, it's up here. You know what I mean? So it's like, futures isn't like that. Futures is just going to give you one. We're all looking at the exact same dick. Pause. Wow, gold really is going to consolidate like this. Unbelievable. Make sure you guys drop a like for the YouTube video. YouTube video? YouTube stream, whatever.
In the beginning.
Took Raj's course a year and a half ago. Great course, loads of information. You helped me simplify the strategy, perfect it. Since then, I passed 100K Forex and got paid out. Let's go! That means you should give me some money. King Daniel, fair and handsome, thank you for gracing us with your royal presence. Bro, I'm not royal. I'm from fucking Bean Lee, bro. So I'm just chilling. Yeah. Make me a mod on your channel. Bro, I need some mods because, I mean, my mods are just kind of, I guess, getting in their life or whatever. So they're not around. What about oil? Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm glad oil's not doing much. In the Beninging.
In the Beninging.
When's stock exchange? When's NYSE, you guys? You know, I've been trading for 5 years and I still ask this question every day. Nah, I don't want to look at oil, bro. Oh, it's in 25 minutes? Okay. Maybe an NYSE is going to break us out. I'm ready for mod responsibility. Message me on somewhere. Message me on Discord or something. Here, I'll post the free Discord community we have. Bro, we've got 7,000 people in the Dissi community. Sorry. Yeah, here's a free Dissi. Here's a free Dissi link if anyone wants to join the free Disso. Oh, look at this. Wow. Beautiful work, Fatih. 3 combines linked as well. Very nice. Don't you know now? How much do you put the risk per trade? Just however, depends how big the account is and depends how I'm feeling and everything like that. Can I see the place where your supporting plans is? Yeah, just look at the screen. You can see. Oh no, you actually probably can't. I'll show you right here. Check this out. My levels are based on this. GC. Check this out, my G. So on the 15-minute time frame, you can see this level here to the left. That's where my resistance level is. Because I know above there, look, we've got oh, you can't see it, hang on. My level's based on this, because above you got clean traffic to the left. So if I get a break above this level, I know price has got clean traffic to move up here. Okay, and in terms of support, it's based on this 15-minute level. Because I know below there, we get a closure below. We've got enough room to move down to here. So that's where I'm looking at for a breakout, but I'm still interested to potentially participate in a trade within this range, but probably not as well. It's so bad, man. This is like stuck in the fucking mud. The featherweight division's stuck in the mud. Thoughts on silver? Nah, I'm not even gonna look, bro. I don't care about silver at the moment. Yeah, I don't want to look. Have you met AJ and Seamus in Dubai? Yes. Yeah, I'm mates with AJ and Seamus. Can you tell me how to do a top-down analysis, especially? I mean, top-down analysis, like, here's the thing. A lot of people spend like fucking 30 minutes doing a top-down analysis. Like, it's just an ego thing, I believe. To be honest, bro, doing a top-down analysis and taking any longer than 2 seconds is just trying to show off. Like, it doesn't even mean anything. The only top-down analysis you should do is like maybe check out the daily and just see what it's doing. Okay, it's bullish, interesting. 4 hour, just consolidating, interesting. 1 hour, 30, whatever. The best time, it's good to like kind of gauge a little bit where we're at. But the best time to do a fresh analysis is just before you're about to take a trade. Like jump back through those high time frames and just see where we're at. See what everything's looking like just before you're about to kind of take a trade. Like not just before, but like maybe a minute before, just to re-get a pulse on where we're at. Bro, don't ignore me. Maybe you explained how to win the Dubai thing by 50K. But what do you mean by the end? By 50K to 100K or so? What does that mean at the end? I don't know what you mean at the end. Do you have a sister? Yes. Anybody asking about the Dubai trip, how to participate in the Dubai trip? You're not coming. You're not going to win. Because I've said it a million times and you're just not listening. I said, I'm running a 2-day boot camp to teach how, for free, to teach how I turn 5K to 100K. Within that boot camp, I'm going to give details on the fact that I'm going to select a few people. I'm going to select someone to fly out to Dubai. But it's not going to be like just some random dude that showed up to the thing just to try to get a ticket to Dubai. Like, we're going to do full back checks. We're going to make sure that you're maybe in the community, even guys in the community, you're going to get higher probability and shit like that. So I learned a lot from your podcast on Orion. Oh, nice. That was when I first came to Dubai. Do you prefer CFD or futures? Don't matter. Just as long as there's candles moving up and down, I'm in. Bro, I love this stream. Oh shit, man. Let's have a look. How many likes has this stream got? If it hasn't got enough, I'm gonna rage quit. Will it be recorded? Absolutely not. Naz looks cleaner. Yeah, but for what? It's just red. Can you pass combine in 2 days? Yes. How many minutes do you have to wait to confirm the new candle was formed? I don't know what you mean. I built a trading risk management dashboard that will help position size in journaling and discipline. Would love to get some feedback from real traders. Throw it in the Discord, bro. We'll pull it up on stream right now and we'll give you real-time feedback right now. What better feedback can you get? Here's a link to the free Discord. If you throw it in there right now and tag me in the Discord, we can pull it up. Oh, shit. Fuck. Is anyone here in the... Hey Jack, do you have admin? Do you have admin in the Discord? Mentorship Discord? I just gave the wrong one, I think. Anyway, guy that was asking about here's a link to the Discord to we'll give you feedback on your shit. I mean, are we going to get a setup at all ever in life? Jesus. How did you build confidence with risk, not over leveraging, but actually trust and execution enough to take the trade and not stay over cautious on funded accounts to go do the league? Yes, it was. No, I mean, you don't overthink it. That was never my issue. Like, people have different issues. My issue was never like worrying about risk. Like, oh, I've put on too much size. It's like, that's never been the issue. The issue is like, I took a loss, let me revenge trade. Shit like that. All right. Yeah, Jack. What are you waiting on ideally, bro? I mean, I'm on gold to get to one of this level up here or down here. NQ, I know, is just a lot of red, and oil. Oil, I got nothing. No real pulse on oil just yet. I'm either gonna do London tomorrow or come later, because anytime I show up in New York Open, I never get a setup. It's only like later after NYSE the setups start to present. How to overcome revenge trade and I have the same now, that's why I'm not profitable anymore? Yeah. That's pretty much everyone, my bro. The biggest way to get over it is just continuing to show up. Unfortunately, the biggest way to overcome it is just showing up. Like, it's just time. Here's the, oh no, I can't post Discord in TikTok. I can post it on YouTube. Bro, I can tell you all the shit. Yeah, man, just lock yourself out of the account, close the laptop, meditate, read the Bible, do whatever. It's not going to be, nothing's ever going to work except experience, time on the charts, finding yourself in these circumstances again and again where you have that urge to revenge trade, and over sometimes you'll be like, you know what, I'm not going to, and sometimes you just take a loss and you go off, and then the next, like a month later, you do it again and you don't revenge trade, and over time you slowly stop doing it. But the thing is, when you do it, it's so painful that most traders eventually just get burnt out and they're just like, I'll just give up on this trading shit. Experience is like probably the best way to actually win in trading, long run. I've started to look at trading corn and coffee. Yeah, Dean. Oh, sort of. It's just like the Discord. They can't get access to anything else. Who don't have money and personal account, they can join. The bootcamp is free, my G. Can you use session high and lows in the breakout? I don't know about any of that shit, bro. Sorry. Do you guys realize every time like someone asks me something about some shit, I'm like, yeah, I don't know. And I'm just so proud to be able to say that. Because at this point in my trading career, I understand the importance of just like, I'll just stick to my lane. I already know what works. I don't need to fucking, I don't need to know what a volume profile is. Oh, you got balloons on your chart? I don't need to fucking know what a balloon, I don't need to, you know, I'm sure you guys have seen like, you know, some dude, they got like these balloons all over their fucking chart. And I'm like, yeah, I don't care about that thing. There's like balloons, and then they've got these other things where it's like these red fucking lines like this. Like that. Who knows? That's exactly how it looks, eh? And I'm like, oh yeah, it's all good. I'll just chill out. You know what I mean? I'll just turn 5K to 100K, get over 6 figures in fucking payouts and just chill. That's it. Bro, that was just the most spot on drawing ever. Where can I find your Discord? Where can I find your... You can find my Discord. Free Discord community. You can literally find right here in the chat. We've got over 7,000 traders in here. Wow, could this be a miracle? We're actually getting volume out of gold. Hi bro, would you describe your strategy? Love your maths. Thank you bro. Price action trading. Just mark key areas of support and resistance or just respected levels and wait for price to either bounce off or break through. And if it bounces off, then we catch type 2. If it breaks through, we catch type 1. We as in me. You got aura, bro. Bro. Herpes charts. $100K in payouts. What's the investment? The investment is back into trading. Actually, there's other shit as well. You'll hear about soon. Bro, give me some important tips so I can pass my first challenge. Get good at trading and stop gooning. Stop gooning whilst trading. Nah, the only advice I can give you to get funded is 1, you got to have a decent strategy. 2, and just get better at your psychology. It's like, you know, all the basic fundamental bullshit boring stuff. That's it. All that stuff is all that matters. All the cliches are cliche because they've been said so many times. They've been said so many times is because they're what matter. I always use the analogy of the boxer, like the best boxers are really good at just a jab, a 1-2. Get really good at just a jab in trading. I got funded for the first time Friday on the master. I blew it 2 days over trading. I take the same setups as you, but how can I overcome revenge? Yeah, like I said, it's just time on the charts. We've all been there billions of times. Those that find success just stay in the game long enough to kind of break through the other side. I can give you all the advice, but it's only gonna make you feel better and make me feel better for a minute because I feel like, yeah, I'm saying all this good shit, but it doesn't matter, bro. I want to be honest with you. All the trading psychology videos you watch, none of it matters. I'm sorry, man. The only thing that matters is can you show up tomorrow after making yesterday's mistakes and try and get better. And you probably won't. It'll feel like you won't. But one day you'll look back and be like, holy fuck. Like I'm such a better trader than I was 6 months ago. And then 6 months later. Could be actually be getting some volume on gold. Unbelievable. It's a real Logan Paul. Oh. Bro gives out aura on red. Bro is never blew one yet, 1.5 years in. Yeah, you're broke. 100% you're broke. You have to blow accounts to make money. You haven't made any money, bro. You haven't made any money. You know, when I first came into trading, I was like looking at all these people, trying to find people that have done it, and I wanted to like see their story and shit. And I found a guy that was like, same shit. He's like, I haven't blown an account in 1.5 years and I'm a successful trader. He didn't never said any like dollar amount or anything like that. And I thought, wow, that's so incredible. I'm going to be like that. I'm going to be like 2 years in. I'm never going to blow an account. I just know I can do it. Now I know that's not even a flex. To not have blown an account isn't a flex. That actually shows me that you're very amateur still. You have to blow accounts to know how to react in those cases. You have to go through the L's to know how to react, know how you perform when things aren't going your way, because markets aren't always going to go your way. So it's actually not a flex at all to not have blown an account. You want to blow as many fucking, you know, you want to just be out there blowing fucking, blew 30 to 40 accounts, one funded, blown, another 300 to pass, blown one day, going hard, learning, growing. Yeah, that's the way, man. So could we get some volume kicking in here now? Could we actually get some volume, you guys? Oil stuck in the mud. NQ. You is about to be stock exchange, so it's nothing we can do there. How much time will it take in order to get a good trader knowing a decent strategy? I mean, it depends. Like I've got, bro, and I'm not saying this to flex, but I've had guys join my mentorship, work with me from like being fresh as, and be getting payouts and shit within their first year. Like it, put it this way, if you walk into a boxing gym and just start hitting a bag and trying to do all this shit yourself and try to become a professional boxer, just you in a room, it'll take this length. If you go into a gym and find a fucking dope coach to teach you the right way, which way do you think you're going to become a better boxer? Obviously the coach. And I'm not saying that, it doesn't have to be me, but it's going to benefit you to get a fucking coach, you know, to help you along the journey. It'll speed, all it will do is speed things up. That's it. Yeah, exactly. What Jack said, it just saves time. That's all it is. There's no like secret sauce. There's nothing this and that. And I'm not even talking about it has to be me. I'm just saying it's going to save time. But make sure they're legit. Like make sure they actually can show up for you and teach and shit. See, I do something that no one else does in the industry is where I actually have one-on-one calls with my students. Most coaches like Swaggy D and all this shit, they'll charge 10K for one call. What? And he's not even profitable. Imagine that, paying 10K for one call and the person's secretly not even actually profitable. Honest, did Seamus and AJ not say anything about the inside scoop? Profs don't pay. Bro, you know, I don't know anything about anything. They wouldn't be around if they weren't paying traders. Like they're obviously paying traders. But also, look, bro, I don't know. If you're having issues, just trade somewhere else. What extra benefits do you guys get in the mentorship? Yeah, I'm not even going to tell you because that mindset is already annoying me. That mindset is instantly annoying me. Hey, you just told me everything. What else do I get? What's a reasonable amount of accounts to blow in a year? Fuck, bro's got like a whole list. He's just like, can anyone relate? Hey, bro. Oh, Jade, sorry, it might be a girl. All you need to know is however many you've blown in a year, I've tripled it. So you're all good. Let's have a look. Oil's going down here now. Yeah, we're about to hit NYSE, so hopefully we get something good happening here, you guys. Because right now I'm never showing up for New York Open again. It's just like, it's literally so boring. I wanna love you. Oh, gold. Come on, baby girl. Baby girl, you stay on my mind. Maybe let me make this a little bit thicker for you guys. Pause. Yeah, I just made this thicker. No. What time is the 2-day boot camp? I'm in Melbourne, Australia. Read the fucking thing. Read it. Wait, I'm not even joking. This chair is the most spinning chair of all time. Like, it will just keep spinning. It doesn't stop. Casually got 50K in a one image. Oh, Cartier glasses, diamond necklace, Rolex, Louis bag. This design just dropped. Broke boys, I don't want. How dare you have luxury items? You're not allowed to do that. Good day, Dan from Coffs Harbour. What's up, brother? Man, I'm dizzy from that spinning. Come on, gold. Break this low. Give us something. I'm actually dizzy. I'm such a bitch when it comes to being dizzy. I'm averaging one payout every 3-4 evals. Yeah, that's nice. That's a good, I like that. Yeah, that's good. AliExpress, there it is. There it is. Wait, bro, so is this AliExpress? Bitch ass mother. Wow, look at gold just here. Look at gold just here. What are these other pairs doing? Oil's doing nothing. NQ's. So this is NYSE. Thank you, Chester. We didn't break below, but then it impulsively dropped here. So let's be patient. At least we're at a fucking key level. Yeah, I've walked into Balenciaga a couple of times. I'm just like, I like your designs, but you guys are just stupid at this point. Nah, come on, gold, man. Look, I got a family, bro. Let's not do this. Let's not do this, bro. All right, so maybe gold is going to push down here a little bit, and hopefully we trace back up into this range, and we can buy. I'll buy the shit back up in this range. 100. I'm being petty. I wanted that last 10K, 7K challenge, 24. Yeah. Can you tell me the timing of the sessions? Just go to babypips.com. If you go to babypips.com and then you go up to tools, and then you can go to market session hours, and you can see here, look, the green here represents New York Open. So we're an hour and a half into New York Open, and it shows you the other sessions as well. Nice gold, good boy. Reject here, give us a decently blue-green closure, and then we can buy this bitch back up. Congratulations on the challenge, Daniel. Thank you, appreciate it. Hey, you guys, yesterday finished the 5K to 100K challenge. I'm running a full-blown 2-day boot camp on exactly what I did. Every trade, it's a free boot camp. You don't have to pay anything. I'm just going to give you full source. I'm going to source you guys up. If you want to join that free 2-day boot camp, you can register here. If you're not interested, then you're not going to show up and pay attention, take it serious. Don't register, please. But if you're interested in learning, register. Beautiful. So we're at this key level here. If we get some sort of bullish closure, we've got volume in the market with NYSE. It'd be great to try and catch something here, because I've got two fresh accounts. I've got a fresh funded Lucid account here, and I've also got an 800K instant funded X account here as well. Oh, I paid 7K to fund X, but they gave me 24K payouts. Props work. It sucks when you get banned. Yeah, I've been banned as well. It sucks. I get it. Can you please talk some more about the setup? I won't just yet, but if it starts to develop a little bit more as the candle closures, I will, because anything can happen. I don't like to plan too much ahead. Jack, I don't know what I got. Let's have a look at what I got. Lucid funded account. Oh, Flex. I got a Flexi. Is that good? Yeah, I don't usually like instant accounts, but I just got it because I'm mates with them. Oh, you registered already? Nice. Let's go. Oh, NQ moving up here. Oil stuck in the mud still. So not lucky we didn't get chopped up in oil at all. And gold's like at a very key level here. Oh, no consistency on the funded. Beautiful. Perfect. Which time frame analyze the market? I'm sitting on the 15-minute time frame, but I will pay attention to all time frames. Once I'm getting ready to take a trade, I'll do a quick flick through and just make sure everything looks okay. But the reason why I'm interested in buying up, even though I know this is a consolidation range, is honestly, you guys, if I'm buying up, what's to the immediate left? It's this red candle, which to me is just clean range, right? So that's where I pay most attention. I like to put it like this. This is 95% of what I'm paying attention to, which is the immediate left. And then this structure over here, maybe I'm paying 2%, 2%, and that's it. But to the immediate left, if it's clean, I'm in. How often do you go live? Maybe once or twice a week on YouTube. And then pretty much every day in the Dissy. I try to stream at least once or twice every day, whether that's in the Discord community or mentorship community and YouTube sometimes. But this week I'll be live a lot. I'm being live a fair bit because just finished the 100K challenge and I'm firing on all cylinders. You think it's going back from here? We'll see. So virtually what I would look like, yeah, let's not jump the gun. Let's see what happens with this candle. I'll start drawing up what I'm going to be looking for in a bit. Wow, NQ. All-time high, just chilling. I mean, like, it's just so insane how bullish NQ is. Like, what the actual fuck, man? Every day just smashing through all-time highs. Like, down here wasn't even that long ago. We should have brought here. Come on, Gold, give us some setups. Give us some of that good shit. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a like for the stream as well. It's the only way I like to stream is if people like it. How long-term holding? Oh, you've been long holding? Nice. Yeah, I'm jealous. Good shit. Why can't we get sell entry here? I mean, you can, but for me, the criteria isn't there for what I would like to see for the strategy that I trade. Look at this, like as you zoom out a bit on the 1 hour, it's just barcode central. Crazy. Close below the 30 and 1 hour, what would you think? Oh, we've still got a fair while for that. I think price is going to do a lot of shit until then. Yeah, we've still got a fair while for that, for those closures, so I'm not sure. Yeah, Naz just took off. Wow. I mean, I guess it's going back for fucking all-time highs. Wild. Like, how is it, like, why is it moving like this? Like, how? How, who, why, and what? Yeah, it's going to explode. Legit. What up, Hom? Once you're in a trade, do you have a system of managing? Yes. Oh, if it's not going your way? Sort of. It depends on the setup. Yeah, it depends on the setup. A lot of the time it's hard to explain without going into full detail, but yeah, the answer is yes. Yeah, it depends on candle closures and just seeing the way things are reacting and stuff. Don't you know now? Is a perfect love. Yeah, this is going to be a good closure here. You're the new funded X trading influencer crowds. You made it. I'm your new dad. That's all. That's the only thing I am. Yeah, I would have wanted it to to like break this level, like this candle to actually break the level, retest and then go. But it just like it broke up before that and then just kind of impulsively moved down. During a candle lifetime, is there a time where you don't enter, for example, the 15? Yeah, it's the first minute. I don't enter in the open of the first new 15-minute candle. So I've got to get out of that first minute. And typically around 5 minutes before the closure as well. What up, Nathan? Gold's been a dog. Let's see what's up here. Bro, honestly, I'm never showing up for New York stream again. It's always going to be NYSE. It's literally pointless. I don't honestly think I've ever got a trade at New York. It's always been NYSE onwards. That's all right. Trader Dana, appreciate you. Wow, look at this, you guys. She fallen. She is falling. You too old for that haircut, bro? Okay, let's see what you look like then. Oh, of course. No videos, no photos, no nothing. What a surprise. It's always those that have the most to say about someone else's appearance. They never have anything on their profile. What did we do to deserve this price action? Bro, legit. That's the question I ask myself freaking every New York stream. Yeah, I don't like sitting here watching this. It makes me feel FOMO, so I might wrap up here in a minute. Yeah. Thank you guys for showing up. I'm going to be live again tomorrow, either London or New York Stock Exchange. I'm never showing up in New York again. It's literally a complete waste of time. But I love you guys. Appreciate you for jumping on, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow on stream. Thank you very much. Remember, there's a link in the description of this video if you want to join the free 2-day boot camp, breaking down how to turn 5K to 100. Love you guys. Have a good day.